Welcome back to Set Streets and Needs, guys. I'm Chris Bauer. I am in Menlo Park, New Jersey today, in front of a mall called the Menlo Park Mall, in front of a RainForest Cafe. This is one of two locations left in New Jersey of RainForest Cafe, the other one being in Atlantic City. I'm going to be going to this one for dinner to try them out, check out their animatronics. I am wearing my new t-shirt from Rainforest Cafe. You can't get this at Rainforest Cafe. You can get this at idcs.com. See if you can guess the quote. Never go against a Sicilian when death is on the line. You guys recognize that? I'll tell you at the end of this vlog what movie that quote is from. You guys should know. It's a classic. It's from the 80s, of course. Click the link in the description below of this video to check out your own t-shirts from your own favorite 80s movies and 90s and 2000s. Movies, video games, anything. They've got it. Literally tens of thousands of different t-shirt designs that are just as awesome as this and more awesomer. Check them out, guys. And then let's go check out together the Rainforest Cafe here in Menlo Park, New Jersey. Let's go eat. The fog. Lyle, what are you doing, bud? You're just laying in that fog. It's looking awesome. This looks like Dagobah. I think Yoda's in there. Not much of the crocodile. This is probably the weakest of the all of the locations, statue-wise, I would say. Usually they look pretty realistic-esque. This looks definitely more rubber toy. But that's okay. As not to scare the children. I hear Tracy Tree talking. There she is. Balsa wood originally came from rainforest, according to Tracy Tree. Thank you for that fact. You're sweet. Uh-oh. Another one?
Hey, gang. I'm Tracy Tree.
Well, hi,
Check
Tracy.
out the wild selection of toys, gifts, and souvenirs right here in the rainforest.
What? Didn't know the rainforest had its own gift shop? Yes, I did. What am I saying? Look at these wonderful squishmallows. We can't forget to look at the bar and their wonderful animal butt stools. Always a hit. No fish in this tank either, unfortunately. So not only does this location have the fountain, but this one has a waterfall with the fountain, which looks really awesome. So it looks like they have a new menu celebrating their 30th anniversary, which makes sense. They did start in 1994, so that makes perfect sense. Ooh, we got some new dishes on here to try. Jamaican me crazy pork chops. What? Cajun New York strip with bourbon glazed shrimp? What you talking about, Willis? Island hopper chicken and shrimps. We got an awesome app. We got us a Southern Cross lasagna. That looks interesting. Taste of the islands. The mini chicken, which is a Caribbean dish. Got some drinks. A new dessert called the RainForest Tsunami Cake. Oh my. Those Southwest egg rolls are really good. Can't really tell what the sauce is though. I would guess a hot mustard, but I should order different. Not really sure. Interesting. Uh-oh. Sounds like a storm could be a brewing. Uh-oh. There it is. Easy girl. Don't huff. Don't be scared. These are in pretty good shape. The mouth's got a little wear around it, but pretty good shape. There's not a ton of animatronics in here. I don't see really any tigers. We do have several of the gorillas. They're moving around, doing some shaking and grunting. Pretty typical movements out of them. We got the baby gorilla up there as well. They're a little sleepy right now. But we're just grunting and moving around. Now they're acting like they're sleeping. Oh, now he's grunting. It'd be great if he jumped at me. I would love that. Very nice waterfall. Definitely this is my 6th location. Of all of those I've visited so far, this is probably the smallest. But also doesn't appear to be a very large mall either. Most of the mall locations have been Mills malls, and this is not a Mills location. This just said Menlo Park Mall. So it just appears to be a regular mall location. Might be a bit older, I don't know. I don't know. That's interesting. I don't know exactly when this one opened. Obviously, all of them are 30 years old or less. But I don't know exactly what year the Menlo Park, New Jersey location opened. So, not 100% sure on that. But, yeah. definitely a smaller location. Only the gorillas and the elephant animatronics. No tigers or panthers at this one that I can see. No extra little monkey animatronics that are moving. They've got the statues, but none that are actually furry and moving or swaying, unfortunately. Kind of a bummer. But honestly, that's a really nice fountain and waterfall though. And I've definitely been to some bigger locations and more important locations that don't even have the fountain anymore. So it's cool to see that. Got sausage. Got several kinds of cheese in it. But it's wrapped. Instead of it being traditionally layered, it's like wrapped like a burrito. It's really interesting. But really good. That's really good. Oh man. Ooh. And also hot. That lasagna was phenomenal. I swear. Every time I have something here in Rainforest, it really doesn't disappoint. And I know you guys are like, your palate is so uncultured. Alright, you can think that. I don't care. I like good food. And I like tasty food. I like Ruth's Chris Steakhouse. Fancy things, and I like Rainforest Cafe's food. I like things from Applebee's and In-N-Out Burger and some things from McDonald's. I don't care what you think of my palate. How those elephants handling that storm? They seem fine with it. They ain't scared. I mean, it does storm here 80 times a day, so get used to it after a while. All right.
Check out the wild selection of toys, gifts, and souvenirs right here
See
in
you
the
later, Tracy
Rainforest.
Tree. Well, this is the first location that I did not get a personalized location glass. They did not carry any glasses, so snake. So that was kind of disappointing. Other than that, it was very delightful, very delicious, as usual. So no complaints there. Just bummed about not getting a glass, bro. I like getting my glasses, so now I'm gonna have, a hole in my glass collection. But what are you gonna do? Anywho, all right. Hope you guys enjoyed that. I know I did. That lasagna was dynamite. Really good. All right, guys, I'm gonna jump back in the car and on down the road. Hope you guys enjoyed that review of the Menlo Park, New Jersey Rainforest Cafe. I know I did. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you at the next one. Bye now. Oh, before I forget, the quote from the great actor Wallace Shaw.
victim to one of the classic blunders. The most famous is never get involved in a land war in Asia, but only slightly less well known is this: never go in against a Sicilian when death is on the line.
Never go against a Sicilian when death is on the line. Of course, it's The Princess Bride. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. And go to 80s Tees and get this shirt. It's awesome. Bye.